Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to fix Nvidia screen tearing issue. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it, shall we? So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your search bar and search for device manager. Okay, we're going to open that. I'm going to maximize this. Under display adapters, your Nvidia card should display. So double click on that and it will say the driver. Okay, go into the driver and click on update driver. Okay, then here you're going to go into browse my computer for drivers. Okay, and then here you're going to click on let me pick a list. Okay, and here please choose the one that is more specific. Okay, as you can see, this one, the basic driver, is very broad. Okay, since it's just a basic driver, this sounds more specific. If you have only one option, just go with it, but if you have this more specific option, click on that and click on next. Let it install, give it a second. Okay, and you can see it's updated driver, so just close and close out of this. Okay, and now I'm going to help you to increase your refresh rate, so based on your monitor. So just going to right click anywhere on your desktop, go into display settings. Here you're going to go into advanced display settings. Okay, and here you're going to go into display adapter properties, and in here you're going to go into monitor. You can see your screen refresh rate. If there's a higher value, select that. For me it's just 64 Hertz, so I'm just going to stick with 64 Hertz. Click on apply and okay. If there's a higher value, please I urge you to choose that. Okay, then you can go back and here make sure this is at 100% because we don't want a very like big zoomed in kind of feel. So 100% is perfect and it's the recommended, and your display resolution should follow your monitor's resolution. Okay, if it's too low, it's too big, Nvidia will get confused and it will get screen tearing more often. Okay, so yeah, basically that's all the fix, guys, and I hope it helps. So yeah, thanks for watching.